Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Kerala has a very clear narrative. कितें म्हणटा ते केरला गॉड्स ओन कंट्री जालें. लास्ट 20 वर्सान आमचे गोंयचे नॅरेटिव्ह कितल्या फाटी चेंज जालें एंड वाय शुड इट चेंज? आय थिंक वी शुड क्रिएट अ नॅरेटिव्ह दॅट लुक्स अहेड एंड पीपल आयडेंटिफाय.
What's that narrative? If there was a catch line, what's that catch line?
It's going to come soon. It's something.
But what's your thought process? I'm not asking for an exact catch line.
I have been a part
but
of
what's for you as a tourism minister, as a person who is born and brought up in this land, if you have to today market Goa to the world, what would be that catchphrase?
आम्ही IT मिनिस्टर असताना आम्ही गोवा I had spelled out as golden opportunities available म्हणून. I had said GOA, Goa, golden opportunities available. When it comes to tourism, we need to think more.
एक असं हांवें पवर्ट टुरिजमाची विचारलें बिकॉज ही गोंयची इमेज जाल्या. आय थिंक आय कॅन कनेक्ट दॅट इमेज टू युअर बेसिक स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्वालिटी वर्सेस क्वांटिटी. द क्वांटिटी will get reduced when the quality goes up, and the quality will go up when this image of pervert tourism goes down. How difficult, Rohan Babu, is that process? When you are sitting in that chair today, you said that it cannot happen overnight. 2 years, 3 years, how much time it would take to, I'm not saying a defining shift, but at least the pervert side goes maybe 20% and the quality side goes 80%, at least for that to achieve.
नाही, पहिले समजून जाय व्हॉट इज पवर्ट टुरिझम. ह्या पवर्ट टुरिझमा खातीरूच तुका क्वांटिटी टुरिझम येता, क्वालिटी येना. आनी क्वालिटी येतली जाल्यार पवर्ट बंद जावपाक जाय म्हणटात. काल एक सादो हांव मिरामारच्यान पणजे येतालो. आय सॉ बस पार्क्ड इन कांपालो, वे ऑन द फुटपाथ the people were littering around with their plates, they cooking केल्ले सगळे केल्ले,
रांदतात सगळे करतात रस्त्या साइड.
Absolutely unacceptable.
हांचेकडच्यान रेव्हेन्यू येना काय?
हे टुरिस्ट आमकां बंद करचे पडटले. वी आर नॉट सेईंग वॉट टुरिस्ट जाय काय नाका. जो टुरिस्ट येतलो अवश्य बसीन येवनी, ट्रॅक्सान येवनी, कित्यान येवनी, बट दे हॅव टू यूज अ लॉज. They have to use a 1-star or a 2-star hotel. They have to have every facilities of Goa being used.
How are you going to ensure that?
That is where the act comes in place.
Okay.
The act with the rules will speak about what are do's and what are don'ts.
बेसिकली रस्त्याच्या साइडीन जी हळशीक चलता ती बंद जातली ह्या कायद्या लागून. इतली जर तुम्ही सांगपाक येता गोंयकारांक,
तो कायदो आसून आजूय बंद जावंक शकता. कायद्यान कित्याक हाडटा आमी? टुरिझम कायद्यान कित्याक हाडटा? दॅट वी हॅव अ पर्टिक्युलर रोड मॅप फॉर एवरीबडी.
सेक्टर जो आसा, जितले म्हणटात की जितले रेग्युलेटेड सेक्टर आसा ताज्या की चड अनरेग्युलेटेड सेक्टर आसा, इन्क्लुडींग ल्हान ल्हान लॉजीस आनी हे तुगेले बोर्डिंग्स आनी सगळें. एंड द ट्रॅव्हल अँड टुरिझम असोसिएशन इटसेल्फ सेज दॅट द नंबर इज टू हाय अँड वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दॅट रेव्हेन्यू. दॅट इज अ कंप्लीट ब्लॅक रेव्हेन्यू, आय वूड से. हाजे खातीर तुमी कितें करतले?
ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स, TTA जी आसा, बाकीचे आसा, ऑलरेडी चर्चा आता सुरू करतले आमी. वी विल स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू ईच वन.
When you said that you will ask everybody to register, are you saying that there would be an amnesty period for everybody? But आज मेरेन जे जाला ते जाला. From here on, government is going to give you an amnesty period. Come, get registered, come in the ambit, and let's look at the wider reach of the sector and the actual revenue of the sector from there on. Is that what you are proposing?
We have already had expectations from TTAG. आम्ही उलयल्या on a informal mode. Formalities need to be worked out. We also need to understand how we can join hands and do things. They have a lot of expectations from the government. Government has a lot of expectations from them.
So टॅक्सीक हात लायतले काय तशें चलपाचें?
टॅक्सी प्रमाणे मॅन्डेटरी कितें आसा रिक्वायरमेंट, they have already complied. I understand from the industry there are still some shortfalls which need to be done. So last few weeks I've been just spending to know where we stand, and I had given myself up to 30th of April to ensure that we start doing a few corrections and tell the departments to internally start making those things. तातून हांवें ease of doing business and online करपाक हातान घेतलें. फुडले विचार आतां घेता आसतना एवरी इंडस्ट्री
टॅक्सी ऑनलायन जातल्यो,
टॅक्सीकूय आपयतले, टॅक्सी कडेन उलयतले. आज टेक्नॉलॉजी कोणाक तूं दवरूंक शकना. Everybody has to get into that mode. Technology won't stop for anybody. We need to create a win-win situation.